Do you have annoying floor squeaks? I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix that. Now on this channel, I've shown gadgets that were easy to stop floor squeaks, but they were costly, and some viewers said they wanted a cheaper method. So this is the video for you. With an easy cleat system under your floor, it's going to stop all the squeaks and vibrations. For this method, you do need access underneath, typically a basement or crawl space, or during a renovation. Now what causes those annoying floor squeaks is your subfloor and your joists have shifted and detached a little bit. And if you have a helper, send them up there to try to find the right locations. As they're moving or jumping or bouncing, you'll actually see the subfloor move and shift. That's the squeak. That's the area you need to fix. Okay, now I want you to get yourself a straight piece of wood. Now, probably not a 2x4, that's too wide. You will need to adhere and glue from each direction to the joist and the subfloor, so you don't want it to be too thick. This is 1.5 inches each direction, that's perfect. Okay, in preparation for the glue and the screw fasteners, I do want you to pre-drill. You don't want to risk stripping out and cracking the wood, so pre-drill. Pre-drill about 1 inch from the edge of your board, and then about 12 inches every foot thereafter. Now we're not there yet, but when we get to the screws, you want to use construction rated screws only, and this is a number 10 construction rated screw, and it actually tells you what size for the pre-drilling. Okay, on the adjacent side, you'll also need to pre-drill the other direction. Keep them about 1 inch apart for your spacing. I promise you this will make more sense in a moment. This next step is the secret sauce. Do not skip this step. Wood glue will bond permanently the wood cleat to stop the floor squeaks between the joist and the subfloor. Look at this claim here, stronger than wood. That's not just a marketing term, that is true. If you've ever tried to pry pieces of wood apart that have been properly wood glued together, the wood just splinters and cracks. So the wood glue is that strong. The parts that will be in contact with the floor joist and the subfloor will get wood glue. You can alternate your pattern in kind of an S-shaped pattern. You can also use a brush or a fingertip to smooth it out. Let's talk about the depth of your screws. Now on the side that you're screwing into the floor joist, you can go probably as long as you want. If it pierces all the way through, it doesn't matter. Just make sure there's no electrical wires on the back side. On the side of the screw that's going to screw into the subfloor, don't exceed that depth of your new cleat by more than 1/2 inch max. Otherwise, you'll have a nasty sharp screw pointing through, puncturing through to your finished floor. Okay, remember to have a helper. You want them upstairs to locate the area of the squeak where the subfloor is moving. And then after you have applied that wood screw on the 2 different sides in contact, go ahead and screw up into place. As far as the order, I have found out it works better if you attach it to the joist first, and then next go up tight to the subfloor. Now these are pretty heavy duty number 10 construction rated screws. You can go larger if you want. Okay, these screws will stay in place. There'll be a permanent repair on your new structure, your new cleat, so it'll stop that squeaking back and forth between the subfloor and the floor joist. Once the wood glue sets up, it will be a permanent repair for sure. This is a perfectly acceptable repair. During home inspection, I've seen this type of repair before, and it's very successful. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down in the comments below. That permanent repair is right beneath this area. The subfloor squeaking has stopped. You did it yourself, and I knew you could.